Welcome to Ask Me How Now. Today I'm going to show you how to start with Wix as a beginner. So, if you're planning to create a website for car rentals, let's just say for wedding events, or if you're a freelancer, or if you're looking for a website that is for free, like you're just starting from scratch, so Wix is the one for you. Okay, so there are paid features, but it's not really, this one is optional. So if you want to build or create a website as a beginner and you don't want to connect to any domain or whatsoever, then this one is for you. So let's start with this. You have to go to any web browser. You can also do this on Microsoft Edge. So you have to click this, or you have to type Wix, and you have to click this wix.com, the very first link that you can see here. So this is Wix. Okay, if you want to know more about their product, solutions, resources, also the pricing, you can just click this one, Wix Studio, this one. This editor, it's more on advanced features. Okay, but as a beginner, I strongly suggest to try Wix editor. So you have to click get started. So if you have an account, just click login. If you want to change the language, just tap this one right here and you see different language. So tap get started. Now there are ways on how to sign up or create an account here on Wix. You can use your Google account. You can also connect this to your Facebook, connect with Apple, or connect with SSO. You can also add your email address and your password. For me, the easiest way to create an account is by just connecting this to your Google account. So if you have your Google account, just tap this one right here. So it says here, who are you creating a website for? For myself, my business, or a friend. So for a client, as a freelancer or an agency, everything is up to you. But for me, I want to create my own website for my own business. So I have to click the first option here and then tap continue. So you'll see this one, bring your ideas to life with AI, tells about a site you're creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you can start a chat right here. So basically, Wix will ask you some questions, and all you have to do is to give prompts or ideas of what website you're about to create. But for me, I'd rather try the other one, which is the second one, set up without chat. As a beginner, I strongly suggest to try this one. It will just give you confusion if it's at the first one here. So tap the second one. And here it is. What type of website do you want to create? So if you want to create an online store, it could be, for example, dress, clothes, shoes, jewelries, accessories, entertainment, something like that, like musical instruments, something like that. Everything is up to you. So you can also create portfolio or blog if you're a blogger. If you want to create websites for trending news or updated news, consultant, technology company, restaurant if you have, or event like RSVP for wedding event, then you can try this one out, or other events if you want, like seminars. So for me, I'd rather choose the first one here. Let's just say, for example, I will be creating a website for my online store, which is clothes specifically, or not really specifically, but it's for men and women. Tap this one, and then you will be asked if it's online clothes store, drum like musical instrument, K-beauty for soap, anything like mostly for women, skate store, jewelry, craft, accessories, a lot more. So you just have to pick the one, bookstore if you want. For me, this one, okay, and then tap continue. Now it's preparing for your dashboard. So here is your dashboard, but before that, you need to start setting up your store first. So, for example, if you're struggling to find a unique name for your online store, you can ask ChatGPT about it. For example, list for store names, something like that. Okay, enter. And you should see the following unique name ideas for a clothing store. Okay, so you just have to pick, and you can add something, or everything is up to you. Maybe you have the same name, so you need to delete something here. For example, you just choose the chick, or let's just say the wardrobe by Andrea, something like that. So for me, I'd rather choose this one. Okay, or this one. Stitch and Style by Andrea. Okay, now go back, paste the name here, add your name. Okay, and then tap continue. So do you already have an online store? No, I'm just starting out since I'm a beginner. If you have, then tap this one, click continue. Now, what kind of products are you selling? So let's just say on your website or soon to be website, you will be selling physical products, you will be selling digital products, you will be doing drop shipping, you will also offer print on demand products, or you also do online courses or services or appointments. Then you can tap this one right here. Okay, after that, tap continue. So how are you offering your products? Is it just online store? Because you don't need to check the following here. But if you also do offering your products in person, like delivery, something like that, or you're ready to meet them in marketplace and some other places, then you can tap the second one here and then continue. Now you're all set. You can now continue to your dashboard. Okay, so this is your Wix dashboard. Now let me remind you that if you have created other website right here, like create new website, whatever you set up here on your getting paid, for example, if you have set up your payment method here and you're just receiving PayPal, payment from PayPal, it will not affect other website. So it's like independent website right here, independent dashboard. It will not affect anything. Okay, it will not affect your other sites if you're going to add some. So basically independent dashboard or website in short. So if you want to set up, like if you want to connect a domain, okay, if you want to connect a domain, if you have existing, if you don't have and you're ready to buy a domain for your website, then you just have to tap let's go and you'll see if this one is available, but you have to pay for it. If you click this make it yours, you need to buy this domain. Okay, if you want to set up your payment methods, you can set up, actually here these are the, let's just say, important features on your dashboard. You can see these options inside of each, but these are the most important features that you need to get, or yeah, you need to put your attention. So for example, for payment methods, you need to add your products, set up shipping and delivery, design your website. So these are the important things that you can also see inside. But if you want to explore, for example, for getting paid, if you want to connect and set up, then you can basically do that. So as you can see, if you want to connect a payment method, okay, so a piece of reminder, payment methods, it depends on your location. Okay, so if you're living in other countries, maybe you can't see any other payment method here, payment providers. So for people who live in United States and other countries, then you can connect your payment method, but you need to answer this first. Okay, so no. Okay, and then accept and continue. So this time you can now set up your online payments through credit card and debit card. You need to tackle this one on. If you want to accept payments via Google Pay, Afterpay, if you want to accept payments via Affirm or Klarna, you can do that. After that, once toggled on, okay, continue. Now you will see options here, but in order for you to unlock this product or this feature, you need to upgrade your plan. So let's go back to other payments right here. Actually, you can also connect your Wix to your PayPal. Okay, so if you have your PayPal, then you can connect. All you have to do is to add your email address and password and connect. Don't worry, Wix is safe. Also, you can accept payment via manual payments. If you connect your website or your Wix website, then you can do manual payment, you can do cash payment, offline payment, cash on delivery, and all you have to do is to add instruction so that the customer or client will see and follow the instruction on how to pay you using these payments right here. Okay, now for, let's just say, pay links. Okay, so pay links here. If you want to create a pay link so that it would be easier for your customer or client to pay you, then basically you can create a link here. So all you have to do is just create link, tap this one. It could be custom amount or catalog item. So for example, request a custom amount for any purpose. Then all you have to do is to add the link name, okay, the price, description. You can also add a logo. After that, create pay link, copy the link, paste and send this to your customer. Also, same thing with invoices. You just have to simply create your invoice right here, get started, okay, add information, copy, and then paste this or just send this to a specific customer or client. You can also do this price code right here, create a price code, same thing with what you did with the pay links, also for proposals, but you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to do that. So get paid quickly over time with multiple payments, okay, and then POS checkout. But most of the features here you need to upgrade in order for you to unlock. So sell to in-person customers from your computer, okay, you just have to click get started and then follow the instruction right here. Okay, also same thing with the booking calendar. So there are options here like calendar if you want to set up your services. So basically you can have your own calendar here on your Wix where you can see all schedules and events coming, orders coming. Okay, booking list. Okay, you see booking list. If you want to get started, step this one, start collecting tips from clients. So if you want to do this one right here, this one is a new feature, so tap get started. Work schedule. You can also set up work schedule right here. You can see this under booking calendar, everything like what I've said, upcoming events, upcoming work or projects, you see it right here. Also, you can see this booking analytics. Okay, so sales. Okay, here if you want to add new order, take customer orders over the phone or in order, you have to click and then add order, and all you have to do is to add information to that specific order. But of course, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to start or unlock this feature. Gift card sales. Okay, so if you want to add a gift card to, like, just say avid customer or client, then you can create a gift card for that, for them to always go to your site. For example, like rewards, something like that. All payments. You can see all payments here, and also analytics. Okay, here you can see the sales overview. Okay, so the activity or status of your website, and specifically the activities and status of your store. Catalog, you will see your store products, the inventory categories, booking services, gift cards, sales channels, booking channels, and so on. But actually, we will go further to this kind of tutorial. And if you don't mind, you can also visit my site for more information about Wix. There, you will see the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a website, how to create car rental website, how to create clothing website, and a lot more. So please do just visit my channel and you will see more of Wix tutorials. Okay, so here under site and mobile, you will see this website. If you want to connect your domain, if you want to upgrade your plan, SEO and Gen AI, basically you can ask or you can optimize your site for search engines and Gen AI, so more people can find it online. So all you have to do is to click start now. And also site speed. Okay, so check your site's loading metrics over the last 30 days. You will see all of the information here, but actually I haven't started yet, so no traffic. Update and security. Okay, so you'll see your app time status once your site is published, but right now there's no information here since we haven't published this site yet. Mobile application, Okay, if you want to connect something here, if you want to connect your website to your mobile application, then you can basically go to this area or section right here, login brand. If you want to create your own login brand, you just have to basically tap this one right here, and also this hop link in bio. Inbox for receiving messages, you'll see it right here. You will see all conversations here. For customers and leads, like what I mentioned earlier, here you can create contacts for your clients and customers. Forms and submissions you can create in this section. Community, if you want to build community. Loyalty program for your customers so that they will come back and order, and just more ways to make your customer love your store. Okay, this is email, abandoned carts, you will see it right here. And then for marketing, okay, here you will see Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, referral program discounts. So if you want to set up from any of this, so you just have to go to marketing, but you will just not go further to this section. Okay, analytics, you will see all highlights of your website, real-time traffic behavior, marketing session recordings, insights, benchmarks, all reports. You can see it right here. And if you want to automate your website to any application, for example, if you want to connect your website to your Shopify, to other application, just go to the site right here. If you want to edit something on your website, just go to settings. Okay, and then here you will see your store, soon to be store, or the name of your site. If you want to explore, like if you want shortcuts, you just have to go to App Market. Updates and releases, if you want to know more about Wix, just go to courses and lessons. If you want to hire a professional Wix designer or editor, just click this one. They will they will give you the list of people who are really good at creating or making website. If you encounter some problems, just go to help. So to start with creating your website, okay, so you just have to click this design site right here, tap this one, and then how would you like to design your website? You can ask a help from AI, but as a beginner, I strongly suggest to pick a template so that it would be easier for you to just edit and add. Okay, so just click the second one, which is pick a template. Now, since you chose online store, then Wix will give you samples of templates and designs that you can use for your online store. This is the best match. So if you want, or if you change your mind, you just prefer or if you want to be very specific, like baby clothes, some kids apparel and so on, or if you want to change this to, let's just say, blog, then you can change that right away, and then Wix will show you some samples of that specific website or that specific niche that you choose. Okay, so for example, you prefer this one right here. So if you want to view before you edit, just click this one. If you want to edit directly, just tap the edit option. And this is your enhance. Actually, this one is a new feature here on Wix. So you can basically ask a question from AI. No, basically ask answers from AI. All you have to do is to provide something here, like also ideas and details about your site. And then AI will give you some let's just say also ideas on how to create a good and brilliant, let's just say excellent website. But actually this one is optional, so I just have to click this X icon right here. And this is your Wix template and site where you can add, edit, okay, preview before you publish. So in the site right here, I will just give you an overview, okay? I will not really go into step by step. I have another tutorial for that. You can go to my YouTube channel and look at how to create a website here on Wix. So since you have your template here, if you want to add elements such as text, image, button, strip, and a lot more elements, you just have to click this one. For example, if you want to add pictures, specifically galleries, to showcase your product, you just have to simply go to gallery, tap from any of this. Once you click, it will be added to your page right away. Section. To add another section, you have to click this one right here and go to add section. Now you can add section like welcome section, promotion, services, subscribe, testimonials, and a lot more. Let's just say if you want to add a contact page so that your customer or client can easily reach out to you rather, if they want to ask something or know something. So basically it will be added right away, and all you have to do is to edit your address, contact, opening hours, and then also your map right here. So pages and menu, this is the feature or option that you can see right here. Okay, so if you want to, for example, if you want to delete something, like you think that this one is, not really important, you can delete this. Then you won't be able to see that here on your header. Go. As you can see, it's deleting Wix blog, so it's uninstalling application. Okay, see? And if you want to add something, if you want to add a page or a menu, just click add menu right here and then add more information about that. For example, if you want to add a link, if it's a link or just new page or dynamic page or section, you just have to click add. If you want to edit design, edit site design, just click this one. If you want to change the color or the background of your Wix, just tap there. So as you can see, if you want to change the site design, energetic, if you want to change this to retro vibrant, you can just simply click from any of this here. Also, you can change the color theme. Okay, you can change the accent colors and so on. So I will be, okay, I'll just stick to this one. If you want to change the text theme, you just have to click this, change the font. Okay, you just have to do whatever you want here. Also page transitions if you want. Here, if you want to add application, for example, if you want to install a third-party application for your payment method, like if you can't see stripes on your payment method, you can just basically go to Wix app and then look for that specific application, for example, Stripe. Also, if you want to add store location map, drop shipping, if you want to add Shopify, if you want to add any other application like Quick Stores, or if you see something here that is useful or necessary to your page or website, you just have to simply look or search that here on your application and it will be added to your site. Okay, and basically these are just some of the few important things here on your Wix and a few of the things that you need to learn. Okay, so Wix store, if you want to add your product, if you have your store already, just add products, connect payment methods, and manage everything here once you have created your store. You can also edit your Wix bookings, old Wix forms and payments, Wix members area, Wix chat, Wix site search, Wix FAQ, explore more tools, and find application. You can see it right here. Okay, if you want to add media like your social account, social media platform, just tap this one right here and all you have to do is to paste your link or URL, for example, for your Facebook, your Instagram, and so on. You just have to simply go to this section right here. If you want to add videos and images from Wix library, just go to this site. So this option right here is not that really important, so let's just skip to this part. If you want to see the mobile view of your site, then just switch to mobile view so you would know which one you would adjust. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. Okay, now once you're done and once everything is okay, just click publish and you're good to go. I really hope that this video helped you if you want to see more of Wix tutorials like how to create car rental website, how to create clothing website, how to create a website, how to choose the best website, everything about Wix. Just go to my channel and please do like and subscribe to my channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.